皆さんこんにちは。よろしくお願いします。Today, I'm going to speak in English, and this could be my first and last time speaking English here on this channel. I have just 4 points that I would like to share with you when you are watching these videos. Let's begin. Number 1, just relax and trust your brain. Your brain is working while you are watching, and it's really important that you relax. This is the most important point that I would like to share with you today. And number 2, focus on getting the message, not translation. Important thing is to get the message, get the idea. Trust your brain. And number 3, you can adjust the video speed if it's necessary. Some people get it when it's slower, and some people get it when it's faster. Only you know the right speed. Number 4, for additional clues, check on subtitles when it's necessary and occasionally. So you need to understand certain keywords, important words. Then you can turn on the subtitles to check what is about. And that's it. Finally, just trust your brain. Let your brain work to get the new language. ありがとうございました。See you in videos. Bye.